Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear cache and cookies in Microsoft's Bing. Now, do not forget to head over to your Google Chrome browser and then just simply type bing.com/chat, or you can simply get logged in properly into your Microsoft Edge account to properly navigate you to your Microsoft's Bing. So this is what it looks like. This is a platform where you can explore a world of activities, all right, and then you have a lot of icons over here that would help make your work seamless on Microsoft Bing. On today's focus, we will be looking at how to clear cache and cookies on Microsoft Bing. Now, to achieve that, you want to head over to the top right corner over here where you have the three dotted lines, and then click on that settings and more, and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you have a list of activities that you can carry out, but remember, what you want to do is learn how to clear your cache and cookies. So you just look for settings because it's from your settings that you carry out a world of activities. Now, our focus is to learn how to clear cache and cookies in Microsoft Bing. So you want to head over to the search bar over here where it is tagged search settings, and then simply type in clear cache and then click on enter. So it will take you to this page where you can simply navigate through clearing your cache and data cookies. All right, so this first option says choose what to clear, so you can just head over here and then pick cookies and cache. So you can decide to uncheck all of this, and then when you have what you already have checked, you can ensure that you head over down here to this blue button and then click on clear now, and all your cache and cookies will clear up. Now you can decide to head over to this particular option and then open up this toggle, and then your cache data, images and files will be completely wiped off. You can also decide to head over to this part and then click on clear data, and everything you do not want, all your browsing history, your browsing data, cookies, passwords and all of that will be permanently deleted from your Microsoft Bing. Now remember, Microsoft Bing itself does not store cache or cookies. Cache and cookies are stored by the browsers or app which you've used to access Bing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Bing, and I hope you would spend time to explore this app to learn more of it. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye for now.